All right, guys, so we are going to start 1-5, which is the party scene. Remember that in scene 2, Capulet had his servant go out and invite people to this big party he's having tonight where Juliet is supposed to meet Paris. Romeo and Benvolio, along with their friend Mercutio, are also planning to attend this time to hopefully to see Rosaline. Remember that Romeo is kind of in a bummed mood, as we talked about on Monday, and he is not prepared to dance or do anything, okay? So it starts off, and we have the servants talking to each other, and you can notice that they're speaking pretty normally to each other, but it gives us a sense of how hectic the party is, that they're trying to kind of keep going. Then we hear from Capulet. He's inviting the guests to dance, especially the gentlemen, who, as we see, are Romeo, Mercutio, and Benvolio, who are all in masks because it's a masquerade ball. Capulet, we get a sense of his personality. He's pretty funny here. He's, joking, hey, if the women won't dance, I'll tell everyone they have corns on their feet, which I guess is an insult of some type. And so he tries to get them to dance. He's trying to get everyone kind of involved here. Then he sits down with his cousin and he's saying, remember the good old days when you and I used to dance and whisper sweet nothings into women's ears. But he says, but now the days are gone that we used to do that. And they kind of have a back and forth about how long it's actually been. Then we get to Romeo. And he goes to a servant and he says, what lady is that which doth enrich the hand of yonder knight? Servant says, I know not. In this little bit, he is referring to Juliet, as we can guess, and immediately he's saying that she has like an enriching effect. She happens to be dancing with someone else, but he's commenting that the man she's dancing with is made better just by being near her. And then we have some famous lines here. He says, oh, she doth teach the torches to burn bright. It seems she hangs upon the cheek of night as rich a jewel in an Aethop's ear. Beauty's too rich for use, for earth too dear. So shows the snowy dove trooping with crows as yonder lady over her fellow shows. So what I want you to do is look at this little section right here. What is he saying about Juliet? And look at the language, what's kind of the key comparison being made.